Ganesha as Ballaleshwar. Ballal was lost in deep prayers and did not see his father approach. Furious at Ballal, his father tied him to a tree and hit him mercilessly. He then went home, leaving his son in the wild. Ballal was having severe pain all over his body, but he still did not stop chanting the mantras. Suddenly a Brahmin appeared before him. Ballal's wounds were healed and he was freed from the tree too. The Brahmin lovingly embraced Ballal, who realized that this was Omkar Ganesha and fell at his feet. He pleaded with Lord Ganesha to appear before him in his original form. Pleased with Ballal's devotion, Ganesha appeared and told him to ask for a wish. Ballal wanted Ganesha to stay there permanently and protect the villagers. Ganesha did as requested and disappeared into the stone. The next morning, Ballal's father was surprised to see that the stone Ballal had worshipped had magically turned into Ganesha's statue. Ballal's father was repentant of his misdeed. The idol was named Ballaleshwar. Dusht, a cruel man. Once there lived a fisherman named Dusht in a town called Nandak. Fed up of his troublesome and mean ways, people united against him and complained to their king. The king expelled Dusht from the land. Dusht took his cruel and wicked ways to another place. Once, when he was hunting in a forest, he accidentally fell into a muddy pit. He went to a nearby lake to wash off the mud and take his bath. At that time, Sage Mughal passed by chanting Om, Om, Om. Dusht attacked the sage as he wanted to rob him. But no sooner had Dusht raised his hand than it got paralyzed. The sage affectionately stroked his hand and got it normal again. Dusht repented and begged Sage Mughal's forgiveness by falling at his feet. Ashpurak Ganesha. Sage Mughal advised Dusht to worship Lord Ganesha on his birthday by offering flowers like lotus and durva grass. Dusht did as he was told to do. Dusht sat in front of a stone and worshipped it as Ganesha. He kept on chanting the mantra, Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. This place was in the middle of many dry trees. Sage Mughal left. After a long time, Sage Mughal came back to see Dusht fully covered by a sand dune. Only the sound of Om could tell that Dusht was there. The dry trees too had turned green again. The sage then removed the sand only to find Dusht in a frail state. The sage showered some holy water from river Ganga on him. The place of Dusht's worship came to be called the Ashpurak Shrine. Dusht became an ardent devotee of Lord Ganesha. The birth of Kaveri. In ancient times, there lived a king named Kaver who ruled over southern India. The king and his wife were very popular for their kindness, but the king and his queen were sad because they did not have any child. They started praying to Brahma to bestow them with a child. Pleased with their sincere prayers, Brahma blessed them with a baby girl. The king and the queen named her Kaveri, meaning the daughter of Kaver. When Kaveri grew up, she got many marriage proposals, but she refused them all. She desired to marry someone really special. She had always admired Lord Brahma. She thought, my husband would have to be at par with Brahma, the creator, who had given me to my father. A sage suggested her to worship Brahma and express her desire to him directly. She went away to Sahaya mountains, Sahyadris in the western Ghats, to do deep penance. She meditated there to get her wish fulfilled.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.